Hi, my name is Jake Stidwill. I'm from Rochester Hills, Michigan, and I'm graduating senior from the Welding Engineering Technology program. What led me to choose Ferris State University was, for one, the small campus, as well as the Welding Engineering Technology program. It's been a kind of a dream of mine for a long time to, become a welding engineer. Ever since high school, I've been into welding, and it's been it's been a dream of mine. I'm involved in an RSO and student employment. I work for the student advancement and marketing, as well as work for my professors as a student lab aide. How I got my job with Bill and Photo Services was actually kind of funny. My father had an assistant named Marv, and Marv actually knew Bill, and so through that connection, when I first actually got up to Ferris State, Bill had me come in and pick up a camera and go take some pictures. Went out, took some pictures, came back, and ever since then I've been working for Bill. Some of the favorite events that I've taken pictures at were the national football games, to the hockey games. I love taking pictures of the hockey games, to Frankie Ballard when he came in concert, and to all the other big events around campus, and the big event itself. Actually, that was a lot of fun to take pictures at. Seeing Ferris State events from the background, and seeing how it all worked, it was really cool to be on the sidelines of all the football games, and being right on the glass at hockey, and right on the sidelines at basketball and whatnot. It was really cool to see become friends with some of the players, and some of the relationships that I've created at work as well as in school I will have forever. They're people that I can always rely on. I think those people are really special to me, and I think that they will always have an impression on me as a person. My thoughts on graduation this year, it's a little untraditional. It's a little tough. Seeing that I've put 5 years into working towards this welding engineering degree. It's been difficult, to see that, going to the graduation ceremony and experiencing it with all your classmates, and not being able to, shake your professor's hands and saying, "Hey, thank you for dedicating your life to us as students for the past 4 years, 5 years, however long." It's really sad. It hit me hard. Really, it really did. I wish that it could be different, but there's nothing I can do about it, and just have to go with the blows. Just take it how it is. I really hope to make it up to Ferris, hopefully this fall semester, or maybe even the next spring semester, and visit my professors and thank them and shake their hand, and come see everybody again, and experience that as a true final graduation.